Hi, I'm Tom Vick with Natural Health Advisory Institute, and we're here today with Carla Peppler, and she is a registered nurse, a nurse practitioner, runs her own clinic in a clinic north of Toronto, Canada, and sees all different kinds of patients. But Carla, I want to ask you specifically about a patient that might come to your office and they present with sinusitis. You know, they're just all stopped up, they have infections, they have maybe impacted sinuses, but they're just having all sorts of problems. Now, what in your your bag of tools that you have available, how would you treat or try to help this kind of person?
Well, most often I see underlying gut problems with any sinus infection. So I certainly would be looking at those kinds of issues, trying to find out specifically what kind of bugs are growing. I have different homeopathic remedies I might use. But one of the things that really helps with immediate relief is something ozone therapy. And so we do it in ears, 3 minutes through sort of a stethoscope of ozone, and then through nasal cannula, 10 minutes, and it's bubbled through olive oil. And we've had some great results with that. I was remembering one woman who came in and she's got a constantly drippy nose. And in one treatment it dried up and she's never dripped before. She's one of those ones, you know, where she said, I'm constantly living with a Kleenex. We had another lady, and this was a couple of weeks ago, and she was coughing and coughing. You thought she was just going to cough up a lung. And so we immediately put her on the ozone machine, and the cough went down substantially. And she's been coming in every 2 days for 10 days because she was going away on vacation and she didn't want to cough. And I saw her on Tuesday before coming here and the cough was gone.
Wow.
But probably the most dramatic case, we have a woman, chronic fatigue, pretty significant asthma problem. She got off work early, went home, and the house was on fire. And so she breathed in a lot of smoke, trying to address the fire issue. And she called the next morning, just could hardly breathe and coughing. And within 8 minutes of the ozone treatment, the cough went away and she could breathe well.
Wow.
So very dramatic.
So the ozone therapy for certain conditions has become a favorite treatment modality for you,
Yes,
to
most
use
definitely.
that helps. Okay, thank you so much for your interest. Again, I know that for our readers and viewers who have sinus and nasal problems, that'll be an encouragement to them. So thank you, Carla, for that.
You're welcome, Tom.
And I'm Tom Vick with Natural Health Advisory Institute.